How to create Tonkeeper Wallet. So it is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along. So before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper, and most of you will not have the account, so simply click on create new wallet. Enter the new passcode, make sure to double check it, and then click on the option of enable notification, or you can also skip it. Otherwise, basically you will gonna create your wallet in few seconds. Now if you want to back up your code, which is the most important thing, you need to simply click on settings on the top right, click on backup and click on backup manually. Make sure to read the terms and condition and click on continue. Enter your particular passcode, and then this is going to take you to this options of recovery phrase, which you can click on check backup on the bottom to simply enter it again and verify your backup. Now make sure to write down on something like offline. Otherwise you can adjust your theme. Let's say I want to go with light. You can have your currency option, you have your wallet W5, and you have your, of course, Toncoin and USDT options, which you can swap, send or receive at the same time. Hope this helped. This is how you can create your Tonkeeper wallet.